and more than 100 aid organizations across the world are now drawing attention to the humanitarian disaster that's been unfolding in Gaza for some time, and a world that has largely been muted about the killing and what's been happening to the Palestinians. On Tuesday this week, 28 countries issued a joint statement calling on Israel to immediately end the war in Gaza, condemning what they described as a drip feeding of aid and inhumane killing of civilians trying to get food. More in this report from the BBC.
More than 100 aid agencies have issued a joint statement warning that mass starvation is spreading across the Gaza Strip, despite Israeli denials. The signatories include major organisations such as Doctors Without Borders, Save the Children and Oxfam. The Hamas-run health ministry said more than 30 people have died from malnutrition in the past 3 days. Israel has acknowledged the drop in the amount of aid reaching Palestinians, but insisted they were seeing no signs of famine. Meanwhile, Israel has been continuing its military offensive. In a statement, the Israel Defense Forces said they had struck approximately 120 terror targets across the Strip. Gaza's Hamas-run civil defense says at least 17 Palestinians have been killed in strikes since early on Wednesday morning. Well, let's speak to our correspondent in Jerusalem, Yolande Nell. Now, this is a warning that we've been hearing for some time, Yolande, but now aid agencies are saying starvation is occurring.
That's right. And they're talking about how, with supplies now totally depleted, even their own colleagues, humanitarian organizations and their partners are wasting away, they say, before their eyes. This comes after we've had journalists talking about how their freelance colleagues on the ground are no longer able to work. And we've had, of course, that joint statement by nearly 30 countries earlier in the week, including many of Israel's closest allies, really complaining about the drip feeding of aid with the current system that's going on in Gaza. But there was this figure that really stood out for me in this statement from the NGOs. And it says that on average, there's only 28 lorry loads of aid being distributed within Gaza each day. And of course, that is just a tiny drop in the ocean compared to the needs of about 2 million people.
What are the aid agencies asking for Israel to do?
So what they want is for all of the land crossings into Gaza to be opened up. They want to have a full flow, a surge going in of clean water, of food, of shelters, and importantly, fuel as well, because that is, of course, part of the distribution effort. They need fuel to get around to key establishments, the desalination plants, to hospitals, but also for the lorries to take the aid to people.
That report from the BBC. And the UN Security Council is in session at this moment in New York, grappling with this issue. All right, that's so we're going to take a break, and we're going to return with your calls. You know the numbers, 876-630-937124 or 618-8255. Week before last, we were told that a Jamaican criminal in the United States was among 5 men deported from the U.S. to a virtually unknown South African kingdom, Eswatini, because they had committed barbaric crimes. And the Trump administration, in its push on immigration, had deported him and the 4 others to this place, Eswatini, in South Africa. Because, in the case of the Jamaican, Orville Etoria, he had been deported there because the Jamaican government had refused to have him back. Well, the Jamaican government has flatly denied that. The Jamaican foreign minister said they were never asked they were not aware of his case and that they were now investigating the matter. But the Jamaican is in Eswatini in a prison cell somewhere because America deported him on the premise that Jamaica didn't want him. And Jamaica is saying, no, you didn't ask us. The Gleaner has a story this morning on the front page. I saw it popped up on my, my timeline. The New York Carib News published a piece yesterday. And what emerges from the piece of Carib News? That this barbaric savage of a Jamaican has had a storied life where he was convicted of a crime. He was convicted on May 15, 1997 of murder in the second degree and criminal possession of a weapon in the second degree. But this man, having done his time, as the Gleaner says this morning, the Jamaican man who was among the 5 barbaric criminals deported from the United States to a South African nation, earned a bachelor's degree in prison, was enrolled in a master's program, and well on the way to rebuilding his life. The Carib News is reporting. The U.S. Homeland Security Assistant Secretary, Tricia McLaughlin, disclosed that the Jamaican and 4 other immigrants who were deported to Eswatini were all convicted criminals and individuals so uniquely barbaric that their home countries refused to take them back. And of course, the Jamaican government has denied that it refused to accept deported citizens. The New York Carib News op-ed piece suggested that Etoria spent time at Sing Sing Correctional Facility, the infamous maximum security prison based in upstate New York, where he began a trailblazing academic journey before his ultimate betrayal by the American authorities. He earned his bachelor's degree through the Hudson Link for Higher Education in Prison and the New York-based Mercy College, and later enrolled in a master's program at the New York Theological Seminary. So he was going to train to be a priest. The report said Etoria graduated in 2018 as part of the largest college commencement ever held inside the prison, a milestone so significant it was formally recognized and celebrated by Mercy College. When Orville walked that graduation stage, he carried generations with him, stated the report. He was granted parole in 2021, something hard-won and rare in New York State. He was rebuilding his life, but recently the U.S. deported him, not to Jamaica, his home, but to Eswatini. This isn't enforcement, this is exile. He's now locked away again, not because he failed, but because he succeeded too quietly, the newspaper reported. It noted that Etoria's 2018 graduation was acknowledged and celebrated by educators, public officials, prison administrators, and his peers. And yet, despite all that, they labeled him barbaric. This is the ultimate betrayal, to praise a man's growth from quietly plotting his removal. America celebrated Orville when it needed a good story, then it discarded him when it no longer did. I really think the Jamaican authorities should give us an update on this. Foreign Minister, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith. You know, which one of us has not sinned and in need of redemption? And he has sinned. He has committed a serious crime. But he's clearly turning around his life. And you don't deport him back to Jamaica? Clearly a man who has shown a willingness and capacity to make amends. Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, can you give us an update on what your ministry has found regarding this Jamaican? We can't forget him. Yeah? We should not forget him. Senator Johnson-Smith, please help us. What's happening with his case, your investigations? Yeah? Who do we have? Miss May, good morning.
Hi, Mr. Hughes. How are you doing?
I'm all right. How are you?
I think this is gross jealousy,
What is that?
because this gentleman upgraded himself so much. They sent back worst criminal in Jamaica. Why they didn't send him?
Boy, I don't know if it is that, I think I don't know, and I don't want to speculate. I really don't want to speculate.
You know why I say it? Mm-hmm. When I was there was quite a few young men like him.
Yes.
And they upgraded himself in prison. One of them was, and I always watch him in the day. He had one of the show. They have judge. He was a judge in the day.
Yes.
The day court, and he was just like this man, upgrade himself in prison and come out and doing so much to society. So
Yes.
that's why I say it is jealousy. Anyway, Mr. Hughes, I'm here,
Yes.
80-year-old, still hollering from a road, not fixed yet.
Yes. Where's your road, Miss May? Remind us where your road is and it's not been fixed.
In Whitehall, St. Elizabeth, off the Baptist Road.
Yes. Yes. Floyd Green, you tell me, is your MP.
Yes,
Your MP.
and right now I'm actually trapped, Mr. Hughes, because we're getting a lot of rain this side and the road gone.
What? You're getting a lot of rain?
Yes, so I don't have nowhere to put water. I harvest my water and I have so much water and I pipe it up in my house.
Oh, wait a second to me. You want the lucky few?
So I don't have no problem with water. My water can't lock off.
So you have been getting rain all for...
Yes, we're getting a whole lot of rain this side.
I wonder what is causing
my
that.
road gone, everything washed down and gone on the main road, and it's down there to Stephen Shaw need to fix the Baptist road to that is great, Mr. Hughes. No, all the drains blocked.
Yes.
It grew up, it overgrown with debris, and that's why the road is messed up, because the water cannot go through the drain.
Mm-hmm.
And every year I heard how much million allocated for drain cleaning, and over 4 years now drain cleaning this side of the world.
Mm-hmm.
It's so sad. I'm really fed up now.
Yes. The Whitehall to Baptist Road.
Yes.
In southwest St. Elizabeth.
Clyde knows it, and Stephen Shaw knows it. And my road is a farm road and it's a poor worker road. And I cannot get anything done to it, unfortunate.
Oh,
right now, I just say to God, I'm 80-year-old, and if I'm sick, no taxi, no cut, nothing can come from me.
What?
That's how bad it is, Mr. Hill. And for years, I've been asking them to just fix this stupid road, and I know nothing. I don't have no road.
How many of you live off that road?
Well, most of these folks die out. It was a big community, but the older people like my mother, father, and all the young people. I leave Las Vegas, Nevada, come back here because I love Jamaica so much.
Yes.
So I'm here, build my nice home, and I'm here, and a few more like me. So it's not much.
Oh.
But it was a very big community, but those folks died out.
I hate to say this, Miss.
I know.
I hate to say it, Miss May.
That is my handicap. I don't even want you to say it, Mr. Hughes.
Okay. Yeah. The whole heap of voting around there.
The road that sticks above me. I tell you, it's not much still, it's not. But it's a farm road. It's a farm road.
Yes.
And a lot of farming going inside here, so I don't see why I should be, penalized because of the number of us in here.
Right. And I know
I pay taxes, Mr. Hughes.
And I know you talked to me, the MP. because you have raised it here and he has responded to me here, saying that they're going to try and fix it.
Yeah, that's all right, no fix. But I hope him, after him finish and get back in office, he will fix the road now, because he have so much to do. I really can't really battle him, because Danny Buck was there for so many years and he never do anything. So unfortunately, they have to be working over that side. And through my side not populated, they have to be the victim. So I understand.
Oh, so you will that affect how you vote?
Huh?
Will that affect how you vote? You're prepared to vote for him or the other one?
I have to. I say, listen, I tell people, Mr. Hughes, any party in power that JLP and PNP and them doing good, why are you changing them? Why are you going to vote them out? That is my policy.
Oh.
Yes, and the country is running all right. When it start the foolishness now, then you vote them out. But the country is doing okay. Why you want to vote them out?
Oh, okay.
So that's my philosophy. One more thing now on my sport. I love cricket especially, and West Indies is really hammering me and turning me upside. Mr. Hughes, that is what.
Miss May, that makes two of us.
Mr. Hughes, from Courtney Ward and Ambrose.
Yeah.
Courtney Ambrose, Michael Holden, you name it, even Brian Lara. From these people what's wrong with cricket? I love cricket so much.
The sport is it's in a mess.
You know the downfall of West Indies cricket, Mr. Hughes? When they put Lara to be captain for West Indies after the man won, they should have let the young man stay there and lick ball. Then put him there and put him on such a burden on the young man. And check it out. From there, West Indies going straight down.
I don't think that is it, Miss May. You know
what
I think is the real reason for it? When you look at, you have to take a break now? Okay. When you look at the capacity and skills of all players, it's not that the Indians or the English or the Australians have greater capacity or talent. No, they don't. I think the difference we're seeing is that we are not teaching our boys and now our girls, the technicalities, the discipline that are required to succeed at the highest level of the sport.
That's it.
Yeah. When I recall it, when I turned up at Excelsior as a first former in 1974, Miss May, and we were doing PE, we had cricket as part of our PE with a qualified coach.
Yes.
And we had to sit down before we lift up a bat or a ball and learn the theory of the game. Yeah? Before you start to play them, you know? Then come and lick and yam lick and get a 20, 30 and them walking at the West Indies team. Then they can't concentrate for more than half an hour, 45 minutes. Or you go and beat England, Australia, India. If you can't concentrate and defend your wicket ball by ball, over after over for 2 hours until you wear down the attack and have the intelligence to read the climatic conditions, to read the behavior of the pitch, so that you make good shot selections. They can't do that. That is the problem, ma'am. We need to go back to the days when we teach cricket in our schools. So the boys at 11, 12, 13 learn the art of the game. Cricket is not for dunce, you know. Cricket is it requires a lot of intelligence. Yeah? I work with a ball blood. Yeah? See, they have continued for more than 20 years now. We're in the doldrums. Last night.
No, man, it's so sad. Especially this one that gone. Look at the money they spend at Sabana Park and look at that.
Yes.
Oh, my God. It's just heartrending.
It is heartrending. And the Jamaicans turned out at Sabana Park to support the team.
I just imagine, you know.
Yes, it was a good turnout.
I know. That's why they should do them best, man. And, oh, God. 8 wickets, Mr. Hughes.
Yes.
It is too much. It's too much.
No, man. When I saw it, me turn off the TV. Me go watch something else and say, me now put myself through this again, you know. No,
it's too much. That's too much.
No, man.
Take care of yourself.
All right,
Bye.
Miss May. All right, take care. That he's alive. Thank God. He's alive. My producer, Nora Gay Banton, has the developments for us. Nora, what is happening with Mr. Hilton?
Yes, sir. So I actually checked in with our reporter, Khaleesi Wright, who was following the story. She spoke with the police, and the police say when they got news of the man being missing, when they got the report, their investigations led them to a health facility. When they checked with the staff there, they discovered that the man had checked himself in to the health facility. And so the family has been contacted and they are aware where he is.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Good. So he's good.
Yes.
Okay. All right. We know the health facility, but we're not saying that.
Right.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Miss Banton. Thank you. Good. So that's good news. Yeah. Miss Hyacinth, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Hughes.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm not too bad this morning.
Yes?
Yeah, and
What
I
happened?
come to tell a story. I don't know if I can talk it and hear about this kind gentleman.
Yes?
Yeah. First, I must say I heard from Mr. Mackenzie.
Yes?
He say ever since from the first day I called the station, he's been trying to contact me and not getting this phone.
Yes.
So, but I don't. I tell him says a piece of old phone. If I'm not near it,
Uh-huh.
me not hear when it ring. 'Cause it rings so low.
Oh.
Yeah, and then he tell me say he's going to put me on to his producer, which is a lady. I don't remember her name.
Yes.
So she called me and she talked to me very nice.
Yes.
But she said she couldn't come to me yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
but she will reach me sometime.
Yes.
Okay. Yesterday, Miss Nora, boy, I love her, tell me say I must hang up, don't finish my credit.
Mm-hmm.
She will call me back.
Yes.
And the phone was ringing, and when I take up the phone, it just black. So I couldn't call, I couldn't answer it.
Why, you definitely need a phone, Miss Hyacinth.
Yes.
Yes.
And she called me back now and said, is this Miss Hyacinth? I said, yes. She said, this gentleman from in America trying to reach me and say, he might call me and not getting me.
Mm-hmm.
And thing like that. Anyway, she hung up. The phone ring again. The same thing happened. Miss Banton called me back again. And so the gentleman say, you must call him. I said, but I don't have a number for him. She said, he leave a contact number. She gave it to me. When I call, I get him. His name is Dean, Mr. Dean.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Yes.
Anyway, me and him was talking. And I began to cry, for you. And then, don't cry, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And him said, what is it that you need? Mr. Use the way I frightened. I don't tell him everything.
Mm.
Yeah, and him said, suppose I send it to a hardware to get whatever you said. You will have the money to pay the delivery truck. He said, that's why I'm on the radio. I don't have any money.
Mm-hmm.
And him said, okay, I will contact you back. Little last time, contact me back again. And him say, Mr. Hyacinth, I cannot send the 25 bag of cement, but I'm gonna send 15 bag of cement. And the balance I think them that you said. This that's and in pay for it. That's why I don't send the 25 bag of cement.
Mm-hmm.
In pay for the delivery.
Ah.
Mr. Hughes,
Yes.
before 5 o'clock, the truck was at my gate.
Mm. In Trenchtown.
In Trenchtown.
Yes.
In give the driver my name, my address, and my phone number.
Good.
And him call me back and say when the driver leave out, he will call me. Coming from the in Portmore. And Mr. Hughes, before 5 o'clock, the driver was at my gate. Mr. Youth, I called the man up to last night. I don't sleep, Mr. Youth. I know me think I dream me a dream. I don't sleep, Mr. Youth.
Yes.
I tell the man thanks, may God bless him. Him said, don't worry, don't say anymore. I thank you too. Mr. Youth, I know nice people is out there,
yes,
but they are very hard to find.
Yes.
And I thank this man so very much, Mr. Youth. I don't know him. I'm still thanking him this morning, Mr. Dean, anywhere in the world you are. I thank you. I may your food basket never empty. And Miss Dora, I love you. I don't know you, but I love you. Mr. Youth, I listen to you over the years. And you know what draw me to you most?
What?
The potter and the clay.
Oh.
Lee Boy Malvo.
Yes.
That was a story that draw me closer to you, Mr. Youth. Till today days.
Or Emmy Award-winning production.
Emmy Award. That
yes.
Yeah. I never leave that story when he was doing that documentary.
Yes.
I sell in downtown and I buy a radio and listen to you from a stall every day, Mr. Youth. So yes. I thank Mr. Gentleman, I thank you too, and I thank Mr. Mackenzie. The lady don't reach me yet, but anybody else want to help?
Yes.
You have my number, and I thank you.
Yes.
I thank you both. Understand?
And we are happy that you are getting some help, Miss Hyacinth. Yes.
I couldn't stretch the man and tell him what I want, but I get a big start.
Yes.
You
yes.
understand me?
And that's what you needed. That's what you needed.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
well,
thank you.
You have made my day, Miss Hyacinth. Yes?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
You're sounding better too. Yes? I can hear it in your voice. You're sounding better.
Thank you, sir.
That's what we're about, you know. That's what we all should be about. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's what the gentleman said. This Dean gentleman, I don't know him, but
Mr. Dean, big up yourself, Mr. Dean. Yes, he is a listener of ours, and he reached out to us, and he has delivered. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Dean.
Mr. Dean, on behalf of all of your colleagues here on our YouTube chat, they're bigging you up. Thank you very much, Mr. Dean.
Thank you, Mr. Dean. Thank you. Many thanks.
Don't cry now, Miss Hyacinth. Don't cry now.
Yes, thanks. Anybody wants to help can drop out. I know you will give them my contact. Thank you, Mr. Lee.
All right, Miss Hyacinth. Keep in touch.
Okay,
Good. Time for the break. Yeah. Our community or country is as strong as its weakest link, you know, and it tells us about ourselves, something about ourselves, when we can find it within ourselves to make that extra effort to help others. Yeah? That's what we are about as humans, helping each other. Yeah? 6 minutes after 11. Who do I have? Vincent, good morning.
Morning, Mr. Hughes.
Good morning, Vincent.
I thought you didn't know politics, but I was sitting down here listening yesterday evening. When we was talking about the politician, them who curse bad word, I can tell you about Michael Manley. You never want to hear that man talk. Because I remember when I was driving truck, I used to work at a certain construction company. And in 1988, after Gilbert, the house that they have up to in Jacksonville, Mavis Bank, I happened to drive in truck up, go up there, man, in time and carry sand, cement and workman to fix the place when the Gilbert thing there. And him tell the workman, him say, want a arch to be between the living room and the bedroom. And the man, them never do it. And when he come and see it, and he say, they never build the arch, he cause some bad word. May I tell you? At the only time, say Michael Manley could have caused bad word.
No,
May I tell you?
He was famous for that.
Yeah. I mean, I tell you, say, no, ask me, I ask because me drive the truck go up here. And in that yard so steep, I think Kiblemon did have a property beside him to where they used to cultivate roses. You know, see, roses, flowers, me attack. You know, see, so me I tell you, say, the whole of them course, well, me never hear some of the other were saying course, but me can't tell you about Michael Manley because me hear him.
Yes, yes. But you never heard it from him on the platform?
No,
never.
Up the yard, me I tell you, up me this bank.
Yes, in a private house.
Yeah.
Him let rip.
He report some bad words. He said Jamaican, they no listen when you talk. Because he tell them say one thing and then do what they want to do. Obviously use them and cut some bad words.
You're frightened.
Yeah, because me never know. Them time there, him never prime minister.
Yes.
He was leader of the opposition still.
Yes.
And me I go tell you one more thing. You know how Trinity get in name?
Trinity the policeman?
Yeah.
No.
In 1979, after Mr. Siaga run for prime minister, and him say him need him to be in personal bodyguard. That time him was a detective, young Keith Gardner. And Mr. Siaga motorcade a campaign on North Street. And gunman open fire upon him. Right? And Trinity have to shoot him out. I saw him get the name Trinity because then time then I said to you, so I want to show one Western, what them call, my name is still Trinity. So I saw him get the name.
Yeah, okay. I remember that incident on North Street.
Yeah.
Run up to the 1980 general election.
Right. Campaign, that campaign, you know, when me tell you anything, I think that me they tell you the truth.
I remember it because it was widely reported at the time. Yeah. And secondly, it is captured forever in a famous photograph, yeah, of just one of the many violent incidents in the run-up to 1980, October 30, when you saw the policemen, yeah, having to respond to the gunfire coming from the attackers or the gunmen, yeah, and it happened right behind KPH. Right behind KPH, and there's a famous photograph. There was a policeman, I don't know if that was Trinity, young Trinity Gardner. Yeah?
Yeah, because he was the personal bodyguard for him, as me tell you, say from them time, they when he shoot out, he get the name Trinity.
Oh, yes. It's well known, sir. Well known. That photograph and that incident was widely reported, but I didn't know that's how Trinity got the name. Yeah, Trinity. Yeah, Keith Gardner.
That them time they was young detective Keith Gardner. But through Mr. Siaga saying want him to be in personal bodyguard. And Trinity never drive in the vehicle, he can always sit down on the front.
I see. And Siaga himself had developed a reputation for being fearless and courageous.
Right.
There's a Jamaican now, still in the parliament, who tells a story that he was traveling with Siaga in a vehicle, this time on Windward Road, and they came under gunfire, and he was virtually pissing his pants. Yes? And Siaga looked at him and said, "Oh, what happened? If you don't see it or you don't feel it, you don't get shot." Words to that effect. And just carried on while he was, wetting his pants. Yes. So there are some legendary stories.
I would like to have you to teach you, because me tell you, say me hear you talk something where me can prove it. Me can't teach you, because me tell you which part me did come when me left country. Me tell you, say me never born a town. Me go down a Paisley Road.
Oh.
You know, so up to this morning, me I watch by YouTube
Paisley.
the same police detective what me did I tell you about.
Yes. Paisley
Yeah,
Road. Hold on. Paisley Road is our Slipe Road and
Right.
Payne Road, right?
Right.
Right on the border there of Hannahtown and Jonestown.
Right.
Ah. Uh-huh.
You are the next road beside the blood bank when you
Right.
Studley Park Road,
Studley.
and then after that one, they know it's Paisley Road.
Right. I know Paisley Road because I went to primary school at Chetola Park. I spent
Right.
many afternoons waiting on the bus right at in front of the York Park fire station there, cut across from William Street, walk up to on Slipen Road and then go across Studley Park Road or Paisley Road. Yes.
You never know, so they did have a school to go down to Rima name Alcien.
Yeah, man. All Saints was closed just after or before I left Chetola Park. Yes, man. All Saints Senior School, All Saints School. It was almost next door to me there at Chetola Park.
Right, but that close to Rima.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Them
man.
time the Studley Park Road was where the 16 bus used to drive.
Mm-hmm.
Go down Pan Thing and go up Asquith Street. Cause me used to take the bus and go by Ambassador Theatre.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes.
Me one lady call you one day from down, I think from down just below where the theatre used to be.
Mm-hmm.
But you see, if you go to them place now, I play open land.
Yeah.
Because you see, not them time there, when Rima was labor right?
Mm-hmm.
And the PNP them one burn them out, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I remember when me up at Slipe Road one day at Carrington Bridge, one guy come there and talk saying good on a Rima to go shoot 2 birds.
Oh, 2 birds.
And the man when did that talk to him, a bigger man than me. And when him talk to the man asked him, say, so why you kill the people them? He said, boy, I told the old man, see man, him did go down, they go tell them. And he start show up when him put the first shot in the old man, he skip and jump.
Oh, dear.
That's the old man turn to him and say, you know, say them thing they have happened to you before you're dead.
Mm. Wow. Yes, sir.
We can do the history both over this, so Mr. Ewan. Now tell you, me know how Evelyn Tide won't burn down. Me know how the fire station, what they call Orange Villa now, in front of, because me I tell you, say, when that fire they not in the rat, never escape the judgment.
Well, hold on for me, sir, because I want to hear your take on how Eventide burned down, because that was inspired from outside Jamaica, you know. You know that. After the break, you tell me what you know about that. Field day. Yes? Having a field day. Yes? Mr. Remind me. Hello? Vincent?
Yes, Mr. Ewan.
Vincent?
Yes.
So, how Eventide burned down?
Well, Evening Tide burned down, the same set and them that burned down, that's burned down Evening Tide, and them same one burned down Orange Villa, because the former minister of housing, you're supposed to know who me are talking at the time there.
The late Minister of Housing, Anthony
Yes.
Spalding.
No, Winston Spalding.
No, Anthony Spalding.
Tony Spalding.
Right.
My brother was, he have a brother what did run over the other side.
Yeah, Winston. He's still alive.
Winston. Right. I will feel strong man them do it because me no make you remember just after Michael Manley send the brigadists that them go down to Cuba and then come back because of all the upon the time there, you know. Man start to know how to pull up and make gun out there because you remember in that time they couldn't have no manual cover because they used to use it make gunshot.
Oh.
Yeah. When you remember say him did have a police force that they used to call home guard.
Yes. The Home Guard
Right.
Service, yes.
One of the most notorious gunman who used to live over jungle named Starkey.
Uh-huh.
Then you started gun to carry because them say if you have to be DC to walk with a gun.
Oh.
And me can't forget when them go down Orange Villa.
Oh, let me just correct myself. Let me correct myself. Winston Spalding has died. Yes, Winston is now dead. Sorry. He died in 2023. Yes, go ahead.
And him tried down a Fletcher's land too.
Uh-huh.
Because if you notice, at them places went burn down because just after Michael Manley come in with the communist thing, and it no work, it look like when if Cuba and go get it from. So them claims
he never introduced communism.
To do with society.
Hold on. In Vincent, he never did introduce communism. He became friendly with communist Cuba, but he never introduced it here in Jamaica. He never did.
Well, it's socialism, if you want to say though.
Yes, democratic socialism. Don't forget that. Right? Democratic socialism.
Right.
Yes.
But then did one Billy housing scheme over with evening tide home did there. And you remember say over evening tide home and they pay old people over there. Mm-hmm. And they say old people have no use in society again because they can contribute to society. So that's why they burn down evening tide home.
But hold on there, Vincent, because there is evidence spoken by some of the actors at the time that the Eventide fire, was orchestrated by criminals in support of the Labour Party and against the Michael Manley government. There is reporting and archival material that it was inspired by the Central Intelligence Agency, the CIA, or an organization that was at the time working to destabilize the country of Jamaica and the government of Michael Manley, and they targeted the Eventide home and whoever they used, but it was inspired by the CIA and their agents. Some of their agents at the time have gone on the record, to say that yes, it was part of the effort to destabilize the Democratic Socialist government of Michael Manley. God, you recall that when that fire took place, the country was in shock. And it contributed to the sense of instability in the country.
Well, the thing about it, Mr. Youth, me not say that I no lie still, but the same man them abandon live inside home and them same man it bound down at Orange Villa. Because me remember when me go over Orange Villa go look on the fire. Cause you know, see the cemetery, the new cemetery part PZ Road from Orange Street.
Mm-hmm.
And when me go there go look on the fire, when the place the blaze and people are trying to escape, you have gunman in Orange Street and open fire. Me remember them take back all one woman, two people and throw them back in the fire.
Yeah. Those were the ugly, dark, violent days that we must never go back to, Vincent. Never. Because all of that was done in the name of politics. And the
fight.
Yes.
Nobody can tell me no about 1980 election, you know. Because me can't tell you, say, me know about it.
Mm-hmm.
One of the most bloody elections. You see, all when you hear Mark Golding come and talk about blood and fire now, and Michael Manley first bring it up in a 70.
What?
The blood and fire.
Where he brought it up?
Well, me don't know if your sister station, will I only say your sister station because they might be a politician station. But you know, say TV there at the JBC station though.
Oh, you mean JBC was what? You mean TV?
No, JBC.
Oh.
Station and in TV, they know it was the original JBC.
Yes.
You remember when they buy the station, they did put out an advertisement to say, who can get a proper name, then get a price.
Right. And they come up with this name that they had to back off.
TV there.
They came up with SSTV, I think, Supreme, something like that, and they had to back off of that. Yes.
You know, say all our FM, what they call it's 92. It was a JBC FM, Radio 2.
Radio 2. Yes. Yes. How old are you, Vincent?
72, the person me gone.
Okay. You've been around for a little while, eh?
You know that, me I tell you.
Yeah. Okay. So what did you do?
You mean like in what way?
In your politicking? You were a political activist, weren't you?
No, me never vote. Me not tell you the only time me vote at 2007 and Bruce Golden promised to give you a house which party him did there.
Yes, remember.
And when he come back and thing, we ask him how the house go, and he said the place is too dear.
Yes, remember, you're telling me that story already. Yes. Yes. So from there, you don't trust them?
No. Well, I wouldn't say I don't trust them. Because if me could have voted now, me would have really go out and vote for and do less because me can't see what I do. Because me used to work at a place where the little money where me used to work. I don't know the place where me I work, but me can't call the name. But you still have to go there, go get your vehicle. I mean, tell you, say you know me because me used to come
get me what?
and you please come pick up check and then thing there.
Where you say me have to go get me what?
Go get your vehicle to go when you go send your staff them par road to go campaign.
Oh.
Have to go cover the election. You have to go there, go get your vehicle, so you're supposed to know when me attack.
Oh, I see.
Right. I mean, you so come down at your office, come pick up check and then thing there almost every day.
I see.
Right?
So Vincent,
you what me I say, because sometimes a man in time when me don't get down where you check, they take your pass, me come in and you yell me up, but you never know who me is.
Yes. So tell me something, Vincent, why you can't vote now? Why you don't have a vote now?
Because me get stroke and me there, I still don't.
So that I'm not stop you from being registered.
Well, me no live down at the area there again. Cause I would have to go down.
But hold on, it's not a matter.
Because I don't get my.
But hold on. But you live you still live at. But don't you still live in Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
Then why you not register wherever you live?
Well, when me go up in me thing the card. Because I just write this there one container based up in the same property with Kingston High School. So I don't give me the that figure. So they never want to change my address because they might tell me a bag of shit. So me just take
you don't use that word, Henry. You don't.
But if me did have to go vote now, me have to go back down and play that alone because at this man Mackenzie would have been my thing there.
Yeah, let me apologize to our listeners for the use of that word. Yeah?
Sorry, sir.
Yes. All right. But you should go and get yourself registered on the voters list, man. You're still a citizen of Jamaica.
I'm on the voters list.
Then I mean, say you can't go vote then?
They know that me I tell you about me say I chew me sick now.
So why you can't go vote on the day?
Me can't drive again.
Then somebody can't come for you.
Well, me not think about that part, you know. It call the election, no call it, so it's not too late.
You're not too late.
No.
All right.
As me I tell you, say, in 2016, when thing they win the election, and when Mother Yard cap draw the tax away, I saw me could have get this year and right, especially with the 2-bedroom white bill.
Okay. All right, Vincent. Thank you for the history lesson this morning.
We could have given more to, but you know, I no time. I mean, no time.
Yes. I'm going to ask Nora to take your number. I need your number.
Yeah.
All right. Take his number for me, Nora, and send it to me. All right. We're going to go to the break. Thanks, Vincent.
Yes, Mr. Hughes.
Okay, good. Time for the break. Logics, good morning.
Morning, Mr. Hughes. Long time I haven't spoken with you.
Yes.
You're good, sir. All right, look, no, I'm concerned about how some of the rural police stations are being run, you see. I don't know. For some reason, most of the rural police stations seem to be run by the district constables. Quite often you call there who's supposed to be in charge is not there, and the district constables are the ones who are giving out orders to the policemen, telling them what to do. All right, I have a situation here. I'm elderly. I'm 73 years of age. And in West, a certain section of the island, I'm living there. I have to move because of people of unsound mind. I don't know what can be done about people of unsound mind and the law. Where I was living, I have a lot of fruit trees planted along the roadside. Some plums that are big red plums that they sell. That children live in the area and they usually come to my house and treat them and things like that. So I have the trees planted. Some people move there. After a while, they cut road through my premises to access where they are living. I called up this, went to police station, made report. Nobody came there. It went on for about 9-10 months. I went and I planted a post where my monument was, where they dug out. At Christmas morning at my house, me here calling up there outside. When I went out, 2 policemen come and tell me, say, Sergeant wants me down the bottom. I went down there. When I went down, there's a female sergeant. She tell me something of a plan, but no post here. I pointed out to her that is my premises. I made a report about trespassing on my property, number 1. And number 2, the bulldozing on my land. Right? And nobody came there. She said, you hear what I say, sir? I said, no plan, no more post there. And she left. That was the attitude. Since then, I've been having a lot of problems. The people who came there, they are from a volatile area. And one of the sons, I understand, is wanted. His uncle was the man who went to the police station, was telling me plant post here, and they came and they told me I wasn't to plant back anymore post here. All right. He has they never came there and they never started chopping down all of my plum trees along the road. Him run illegal current through my place. I can't say nothing at all. He ran after a young lady in the area naked as a came born with machete chop her up. And threatened me that I knew me said nothing when chop me up to.
Where is this, sir?
I don't want to disclose the place, Mr. Yuviscard. There's a lot more to it. I'm going to tell you. You see, after I need to talk to you after here. You see, you don't even know some people, police, such a never know what's going on in Jamaica. You see? All right. Anyway, sir. All right. It stopped for a while. And the other day, I was at home. It happened again. Philip tell me, you know, me come down and chop me up and what have you. And the old boy, this and old boy, that. This I use. I call the police. When I call the police said, I must come up here, come make a report. I said to them, I cannot leave my house because the man is blocking down on my road with machete down to chop me up. They said them can't do nothing. I call the parish capital office. The same thing then tell me. They call the area office. The same thing then tell me. We must go up at the police station and go make a report. I don't know what kind of stupidness that is, Mr. Hughes. You cannot leave your home because your life is in danger. And the police go and tell you have to go to the police station to make a report, sir. At my age now, I don't even know how I could defend myself. I had to wait until the rain came down, Mr. Hughes, because that's why I have to believe.
Hold on, sir. So what you're saying is that the police is under no good guidance and direction in the community. Because the district constable in charge there?
Exactly. I have a lot of reports to tell you. That's why I need to talk to you. I don't want, because they're going to know who I am. And police are going to go killing me. So I don't want to be on the death list that way.
Oh,
anyway, with this crazy man to the head, Mr. Hughes, he has been here quite a long while. He ran down a young lady in the air with machete. She went to the police station. She had to run going to one neighbor house way down the road. Merlin, he couldn't catch her. Anyway.
No, but you can't leave it like that, you know, sir. It's not good enough to just say. Anyway, you have some options, sir. You can call the parish capital, the police headquarters.
I did that, sir.
And who did you get there?
I spoke with a constable on the phone.
No, man.
He said he was.
No, man. You need to speak with a commanding officer or a senior officer.
In the first instance, Mr. Hughes, and it never helped. Didn't help. Didn't help. I can tell you let me tell you something what a lot of people don't know. You see the rural stations of the DCs are who control them. And them tell the young police officers who come, who feel arrest, who feel they go, who feel do that. If I tell you some things that is going on in Jamaica, that's right. A lot of the female police are what is referred to as police matchers. I'm not disrespecting them. That's a common language in the country areas. Because most of them were dealing with a constable or a police who became senior. And now when the job became vacant, they recommended them for the job. That's how they get into the position. I can't disclose all of what I can tell you. I tell you some things I have to hear, Mr. Hughes. You can't believe that is going on. The cases are pushed away. For police, I tell district constable, I tell senior district constable, I tell policeman, so then to go. You can't let we go to court or go sit down and case put off every day. You go look for two scams, you get 150,000, 100,000, you come share your pile with your food and feel good. That's not the end of it. I can't go into all of it. You see, sir?
So you said you reached out to the parish capital, the commanding officer. Have you reached out to the commission? Hold on now, sir. May I try to find solutions for you?
Yes.
Have you reached out to the commissioner's office?
No, I didn't, sir.
May I suggest that you do that?
Go that far. Because when I went to the area office, I called the area office and then nothing couldn't be done from there. That's why.
And you didn't get any good result. Try the commissioner's office.
I have to leave the area and come to Montego Bay, come stay.
You had to leave the area?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because the young man is up there, he's deranged. Every time he had go outside, he chop down the trees. Matter of fact, what he did was chop down a guava tree and laden with guava. Carry it in the middle of the land, right where I walk to come out of the place. Put it here and was sitting on it waiting for me. Say, oh, boy, come out here if you're a bad man. Come out here, come down here if you're bad. That sort of thing.
All right.
And the police no business with it. You have to come to the office of the station to make a report.
Well,
but
all right.
I believe,
well, Nora, we're going to take his name and number off the air, and I'm going to forward it to the high command of the police.
Yes, sir. There are so many things, Mr. Hughes, sir. There are so many things if you ever know some of them, sir.
You know Mr. Chang? You mix me up with Mr. Chang. Mr. Chang are the right man for call?
Schoolmate of mine, sir.
Horace Chang? Then him you need to talk to him or them boss.
That is who I wanted to speak with, sir, but I don't have his number.
All right, you leave your name and number with Miss Nora for me.
I'll do that.
And your name so that we can tell him. He will remember your name?
Yeah, he will.
Okay.
We're sitting side by side in
at Cornwall College?
At Cornwall.
Okay. All right. You leave your name and number with Nora for me. Oh, boy. Who's next? Papa Nana.
Mr. Hughes.
Yes, sir.
How you do?
I'm all right.
Mr. Hughes, I have to take 2 pressure tablets a while ago.
Why?
When I hear you said, I hope I'm hearing right, that the Eventide fire was the act of the CIA?
Yes. There is archival material, yes, that says so. And that is disputed by some people, but it is part of the records, yes, that it was orchestrated by the CIA to increase the instability in the country.
Almighty God. You know why I'm grateful that I didn't die today, but I tell you, my pressure went up. So, what was the Somal inquiry in that? The PMP didn't have anything at all to do with it.
Yes. That is hotly contested and in dispute, sir. We don't know. The fact is, we don't know. There are allegations, accusations, counter-accusations, counter-allegations. Yes.
Right. No, sir. The more you live, the more you hear. I'm so confused that I'm not even... 2 other things that I want to ask you about. When last have you heard from Jean Anderson?
I haven't heard from Jean for a little while now. I see her occasionally on Facebook. Yes. but I haven't spoken with her in a little while.
And the other thing, what happened to that gentleman? Well, he's an uncivilized reptile. That one that put his foot on the nurse head. What happened to him? What happened to that kid?
That is in the courts. That is going through the courts. That's a bail matter. I think he's bail.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That one is going through the courts.
It's going through the court.
Yes.
Mr. Hughes, my last appeal that I am trying to say, I am trying to ask civil society, I am asking the private sector of Jamaica to see what they can do to help out this present government here and try their best and keep the PNP at bay, because, Mr. Hughes, let me tell you something. I would never, ever like to live to see a PNP government. Believe me, I am not condemning them totally, because I don't know what they can do better, but I don't see what they can do better than what this government is doing.
Mm-hmm.
And I am telling you, I would never live to see Peter Bunting become the Minister of Finance. Never, ever.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell you.
Uh,
You hear me tell you?
well, guess who is calling me? Guess who is calling me?
No. Your mommy?
Listen. Good morning, Jean.
No, sir.
Yes. I have Papa Nana just asking me when last I talked to you.
Oh, Lord, I'd love to talk to him.
Yes.
I don't banish to Cayman because I have nobody to live with in Jamaica.
Oh, yes, I know that. But how are you doing?
Oh, I wouldn't say good, Cliff. I can't walk well.
You can't walk?
No.
Hi, Cliff. This is Cheryl. Always trouble.
Oh, Cheryl?
Cheryl is my caregiver.
Oh, okay. Well, you're on the air, Jean. The people are listening to you,
Oh, God. Tell them how I miss Jamaica in my life.
You tell them. You tell them, Jean.
I miss Jamaica. I miss and all what is being said. I can tell more stories than what is being said now. Mr. Tupper, and I'm one of your fans.
Yes.
Oh, my God.
And all I can tell you is I am alone and feeling very down. And
oh, God.
I'm now going on 93.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I'm on the last lap.
Oh.
No. You're not. Don't say that. Don't say that.
And I have lost my daughter from diabetes. Oh, yes, a long story of hell
Mm-hmm.
and brimstone.
Well,
But I still have my spirits that I want to continue fighting.
yes. Yes.
I do hope that picture about the CIA responsible.
Yes.
It's not true.
It's not true.
Not true.
Mm-hmm. You were listening.
Not at all.
You were listening, Jean.
Yes,
Well,
I've
just
been
stop me, Mr.
listening
Hughes,
every
with that one
day.
Uh-huh.
There's not much else I can do in Cayman sitting down prisoner.
Oh. You're not a prisoner,
Goodbye.
Jean.
Well, I can't walk, listen. It's a struggle. I walk with a walker.
Mm-hmm.
And it goes this way and I go the other way.
Ah. Mm.
So life's not easy.
Yes.
What I can say is I miss everything. The past is with me so much. The stories of my brother's heroic. I don't know how he stood it, but my God, what he went through.
Mm.
What my parents went through. My father died as a result of a rumor being started about when the Sevens clashed. You remember that story?
Yes.
That he was going to be killed.
Mm-hmm.
And anyway, he was, my father had a weak heart and he couldn't take it anymore, what he was hearing.
Yeah. But Jean, I'm glad to hear your voice. Yes, I'm glad to hear your voice. And don't give up hope, Jean. Don't. Yeah?
Giving up hope, yes. I know my days are numbered, and all I live with now is my memories.
Yes.
And missing family, they're all gone now.
Oh.
It's not a happy time of life. But you have to be grateful for what you have left.
Yes.
And I am. And we set up, and I'm a great fan.
Yes, I'm glad to hear your voice.
He's glad to hear your voice, Jean. He's very glad to hear you.
I listen for him every day that I hope he will be on.
Yes.
And he's one of the truthful men I know.
Yes.
And such a good example. Mr. T, we're in the same boat, sir. Aging processes. But our memories are still on track.
Yes. Thank you so much for calling in, Jean. Thank you so much.
I don't know how I got you. Cheryl got you for me because I don't know how to reach you anymore.
Oh.
Anyway, God bless you all, Miss Nora and everybody at your station.
Nationwide.
You're the life of our life.
Okay.
Light of our life.
Yes.
Bless you all. Listen, take care of yourself.
God bless you, Miss Jean. God bless you. Always in the thoughts.
Okay. All right, Jean. Take care. And thanks, Cheryl. Cheryl is a YouTuber. Cheryl heard the discussion and called us. Yes.
She's good.
Huh?
She's on her whole day spent doing that.
Oh.
And I wish I could type as well now to be interested to try and keep up with.
Oh. Don't worry about that, Jean. Just enjoy the rest of your life. Don't worry about those things. Those things are not important anymore. Yeah? All right.
When you're alone, Cliff, you only have the pastor.
Yes. Yes. And do some reading. Yes.
I can't. Well, I wish I could see that well now, but I have a little problem.
Oh, I see. All right, Jean.
Anyway,
take care.
Cry on your shoulder.
No.
God bless you.
No. And God bless you too.
God bless you.
And thanks,
and
Cheryl. All right.
Keep up a good work. Keep up the good work.
All right. Good.
Why? You make me feel better now.
You feel better now, Papa Nana?
My God, you shot me, nearly killed me, man. Anyway, let me finish.
But I'm telling you, some people don't want to admit it, but that's my job, is to say it as it is.
No,
it is hotly contested as to who really did it.
Well, I am telling you, as old as I am, is the first I can tell you that I ever heard of that.
Oh, no.
I am complete and taken aback, and I don't know if anybody else would agree with me, but I am telling you, Mr. Hughes, at my age, and what that gentleman is telling you there, I seem backed off a little when you said that to him. I am telling you, Mr. Hughes, Trinity is the man that you had seen in that picture.
Yes.
What you hear he was talking about, it was Trinity. By the way, you hear that he is he's not able to see now.
Oh, I know he was ailing. Yeah?
Yes.
I didn't know that he's now blind?
Yes.
Oh, dear.
That's what I was told.
Yeah. Oh.
And Mr. Hughes, I'm begging you as usual, don't tire of me. I want you please to get in touch with